Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students and viewers. How are you? Hope you are well. I am also fine. I am Mohammad Sadar Hussain, lecturer in English, Ranachandi School and College, Kishorganj, Nilphamari. Dear learners, follow me. Today I will discuss about a lesson from Unit 12, Lesson 1. Follow me and look at the whiteboard. Unit 12, name of the unit, Environment and Nature. Environment and Nature. And the name of the lesson is Water, Water Everywhere. The lesson is from S.T. Coleridge's poem, The Ancient Mariner. Water, water everywhere, nor any drop to drink. However, I have written on the whiteboard the main theme of the lesson. The lesson is about water pollution in the capital city, Dhaka. You know very well that Dhaka stands on the river Buriganga. Dhaka stands on the river Buriganga. But this river is severely contaminated. The river is severely contaminated. A perpetual stench fills the air around it. A perpetual stench fills the air around it. As a result, people cannot walk around it. People cannot walk around it. We see that the river is almost dead. The river is almost dead because of several pollutions. Because of several pollutions. A huge amount of waste products or industrial waste products are thrown into this river. That is why the river is about to die. However, though there are laws to save our water pollution, but the laws are not enforced strictly. The laws are not enforced strictly. However, we all should come forward to save the river and its water. Unless we take proper actions to save the river and its water, we will fall in great difficulty. This is a lesson. I have told you earlier that we have much more water, but we do not get pure drinking water because of water pollution. It's a matter of great sorrow that the river Buriganga is about to die for our inconsiderate action, for our negligent act. Dear learners and viewers, I hope you have understood my class and also the theme of the lesson, water, water everywhere. The lesson is very much important for your exam. So you must read through the text or the lesson attentively. If you read the lesson attentively, you will be able to answer the item from this lesson. Actually, I would like to draw the attention of the students of Ranachandi School and College. Do you follow my class? You must follow all the classes taken by our teachers of this institution. Dear students, you must follow the classes regularly and you should prepare your lesson accordingly so that you can answer and you can do well in the exam. Okay, my dear students, may Allah bless you. Remain safe. wear masks while going outside. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum.